Hey everyone, welcome back to Rama AI. Today's video is super exciting because we're diving into 25 powerful features of ChatGPT that can completely transform the way you work, create, and save time. Whether you're a student, business owner, creator, or just curious about AI, these tools will blow your mind. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock ChatGPT's full potential and make your daily tasks a whole lot easier. Alright, let's get started. The first feature, image generation. This is one of my favorite tools because it lets you bring any idea to life visually, right inside ChatGPT. All you have to do is select the Create Image tool and describe what you want to see. For example, I typed, generate an image of a futuristic city at sunset. And check this out, it came back with this amazing futuristic city glowing beautifully at sunset. Whether you need artwork for a project, social media, or just want to get creative, this feature makes it super simple and fun to turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Next, image editing. This one is seriously cool because it lets you edit any image right here in ChatGPT. For example, let's take the image we just generated earlier. All you have to do is click on the image, and ChatGPT will let you describe any changes you want to make. So I asked it, make it a starry night. And look at this, the exact same image, but now it's transformed into a beautiful starry night scene. Whether you want to tweak colors, change backgrounds, or completely transform the vibe of your image, this tool makes editing super simple and intuitive. Next, make downloadable PDFs. This one seriously saves so much time. Let's say your teacher sends an assignment in the class WhatsApp group. Instead of stressing, you just grab a quick screenshot of the message and upload it to ChatGPT. For example, I pasted the image and added this prompt, my teacher sent me this assignment, so please answer these questions and send me the downloadable PDF of them. And boom, ChatGPT not only answered the questions clearly but also created a ready-to-download PDF link. All you do is click the link, and the file is on your computer, fully done and polished. The best part? The teacher gave 1 day to complete it, but you nailed it in 1 minute. Total game changer for students, professionals, or anyone who needs fast, clean documents on the fly. Alright, next, the browsing tool. This one is super powerful because it lets you find live information from the web right inside ChatGPT. For example, let's check the latest price of Bitcoin together. First, click on the search tool, then type, find the latest price of Bitcoin. And look at that, it's working live. You can see it's not just giving me the price, it's showing a full graph with real-time updates and all the market details. I can scroll through and explore everything right here inside ChatGPT, no need to open any other app or website. This is incredibly useful when you need fresh news, data, or quick research. Super smooth and a huge time saver. Zapier plugin, automation, this one is a total game changer. ChatGPT can now connect with over 6,000 apps through the Zapier plugin, which means you can automate a ton of tasks, right inside ChatGPT. So for example, let's say I want ChatGPT to respond whenever I receive a new email in Gmail, then save that response as a draft, and even notify me on WhatsApp. All of that, fully automated. No switching between apps, no copy-pasting. Just type your request, and ChatGPT handles the workflow using Zapier behind the scenes. This is super useful for creators, teams, or even solo workers who want to save time and stay organized. And if you want to go deeper into automation with Zapier, there are a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. But in this video, I just wanted to show you that this powerful tool exists, right here inside ChatGPT. Convert text to table. In ChatGPT, you can analyze and organize data super easily. For example, I had this messy text, and I wanted to turn it into a clean, organized table. So, let's just say, convert this messy text into a clean table, and paste the data. And boom, here's the result, a beautiful, easy-to-read table. What's even cooler? It asks me if I want to download it as a PDF or Excel file. Like, that's next level useful. Change text into visualized image. This feature is seriously amazing. ChatGPT can turn plain, boring text into a visual format that's way easier and more fun to read and understand. For example, let's ask, list me the steps of how ChatGPT works, please. And look at that, it generates a step-by-step explanation. But let's be honest, plain text can be a bit boring sometimes. So let's follow up with, please visualize it into one large image. And just look at this, it turns that same info into a super clear, easy-to-read visual. But it gets even better. Let's say, change the background into futuristic. And boom, it changes the image background into something really nice and easy on the eyes. Honestly, this makes learning or presenting info way more fun. Whimsical Diagrams Plugin. If you want to create diagrams easily, this one's for you. The Whimsical Diagrams plugin in ChatGPT makes the whole process super simple. To use it, just click on Explore GPTs and you'll see a bunch of tools, each made to do something specific. In the search bar, type Whimsical Diagrams, then click it and start chatting. Now let's try an example. Create a flowchart for a user signing up on a website. Once you allow Whimsical to connect with ChatGPT, look at what happens. It generates a full, clear flowchart as one big visual, and the best part, it even gives you a link that takes you to the Whimsical tool itself, so if you want to edit or tweak anything, you can do it there. This is a huge time saver if you make diagrams often. Canva Plugin. Going to Canva and designing something from scratch can be a little overwhelming, right? Well, now you have Canva inside ChatGPT. To use it, just click on the Canva plugin under Explore GPTs, then start chatting. Let's try an example. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video about 25 powerful ChatGPT features that solve real problems. Once you allow Canva to connect, it instantly generates thumbnails for you, right here in ChatGPT. In my case, it gave me 2 thumbnails. When I click on one, it opens in the Canva editor space where I can tweak and customize it however I like. Now, to be honest, these designs might not be perfect, but they're a great starting point. And if you give a more detailed prompt, you might even get something that looks amazing right out of the gate. Create custom ChatGPT. Did you know you can actually create your own ChatGPT that does a specific task, just the way you want it to? Yep, you can literally build a custom GPT and train it for your exact needs. Let's go through how to do it. First, click on Explore, and you'll see a bunch of tools. These are all custom GPTs made by others using the same feature. To make yours, click Create. Now you'll see 2 options, Configure and Create. If you want full control and want to set every detail yourself, choose Configure and fill in all the requirements. But if you just want to start quickly, choose Create and describe what your GPT should do. For example, I'll say, make a ChatGPT that acts like a marketing consultant. And just like that, it starts generating. If you click into Configure, you'll notice it already filled everything automatically based on what we said. You can also upload files, give your GPT a name like Marketing Team, and hit Create. Then it asks if you want it public or private. Let's choose Only Me for now, that means it's private. And boom! Your own custom GPT is ready. Now of course, if you want to build a serious one that solves real problems, it'll take more effort and refining. But I just wanted to show you, it's totally possible to make your own GPT right here. Chat sharing link. Sometimes you have a great chat in ChatGPT and you want to share it with a friend or coworker. Super easy to do. Let's say I want to share this conversation with my friend. All I have to do is click the share icon at the top, then click Generate Link. And just like that, it creates a shareable link. I simply copy the link and send it to my friend, and now they can view the whole chat exactly as I see it. It's a super quick way to collaborate or show someone exactly what ChatGPT helped you with. File uploads. One of the coolest features in ChatGPT is the ability to upload and summarize large files, like full books, into short, simple summaries. Let's say I want to summarize this 40-page PDF book. All I do is click the upload icon, select the PDF, and say, summarize this 40-page PDF. And look at that, it instantly gives me a clear, easy-to-read summary. Even better, it created a 2-page PDF summary from the original 40 pages. This is seriously powerful, perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who needs to save time. Image input. ChatGPT can now understand images, and this is super useful. For example, I have this handwritten text, and I want to turn it into clean, typed text. So I just take a picture of it, upload it to ChatGPT, and say, turn this into typed text. And look at that, it transforms my messy handwriting into clear, readable text. Even though my handwriting wasn't great, it still understood it perfectly. This is really cool, especially for students or anyone who takes notes by hand. Projects. ChatGPT now gives you a projects option. Super helpful for working on long-term tasks in one organized space. So, let's say I'm working on something big, like a marketing plan. I just click New Project, give it a name, like Marketing Plan, and boom, my project is created. Now here's the cool part, I can upload any related files, and even add special instructions so ChatGPT knows exactly what I'm working on. And the best part? You can come back anytime and continue from where you left off. No need to repeat yourself, it remembers the context. It's honestly a game changer for staying focused and organized. Custom instructions. This option lets you tell ChatGPT how you want it to respond to you, basically customizing your experience. So here's how it works, click on your profile, then choose Customize ChatGPT. Now I tell it my name, Rama, then I explain what I do. I'm a content creator and YouTuber who makes videos about AI tools, productivity, and technology for beginners. Next, I describe how I want ChatGPT to reply. I prefer short, clear answers under 150 words. Always call me Rama when replying. Use simple English as if explaining to a beginner. Then I just hit save, and done. Now let's test it. I say, Hi GPT, and look, it replies with, Hi Rama. From now on, every answer feels more personal and easy to understand. Super helpful, right? Voice conversation. With this feature, you can actually talk directly to ChatGPT using your voice, just like a real conversation. To use it, simply click the microphone icon and start speaking. Talk to it like you're chatting with a friendly teacher, someone who's ready to discuss anything you want. And here's the cool part, after the conversation, ChatGPT gives you the full script of what you both talked about. It feels natural, it's fast, and it's perfect for people who prefer speaking instead of typing. Really makes the experience more human. Sora AI. In ChatGPT 4.0, there's something called Sora AI, and it's seriously powerful. It allows you to create realistic images and videos just by typing what you want. To access it, simply click the Sora AI icon on the sidebar, and boom, you're inside. Everything you see there has been generated using this tool, and you can do the same. Just type a prompt like a futuristic city at night with flying cars, and watch it create a stunning, realistic video or image. It's really like turning your imagination into visuals in seconds. Manage chats, rename, delete, archive. In ChatGPT, you can organize your chats easily. Let's say you want to rename a chat, just click the 3 dots next to the chat, then choose rename, and give it any name you like. If you want to delete a chat, just click delete, and it's gone. You can also archive chats to keep things clean. To see your archived chats, go to your profile, then settings, and click on archive chats. From there, you can unarchive them or delete permanently. It's super useful for staying organized. Especially if you use ChatGPT a lot. Explains code line by line. You can ask ChatGPT to explain complex code line by line, yes, like a real teacher. For example, I had this Python code that was hard to understand, so I just said, explain this Python code line by line, in simple words. And look, it broke it down step by step, in a way that's super easy to understand. Honestly, you won't find a more patient and clear teacher than ChatGPT. Explains academic concepts simply. ChatGPT can help you understand hard theories in a super easy way. For example, I said, explain photosynthesis for a 10-year-old. And look, it explained it in a short, simple, and clear way that even a kid can get. Really, if something feels too hard to study, just ask ChatGPT to break it down. It makes learning so much easier. Brainstorming business names and taglines. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm creative ideas without stressing your mind. For example, I said, suggest 10 names and taglines for a vegan bakery that focuses on gluten-free desserts. And look, it gave me beautiful, catchy names and taglines in seconds. Super useful if you're starting a business and want something unique without overthinking. Creates quiz questions from text. You can make quizzes easily using ChatGPT. For example, I have this content paragraph, then I said, create 3 multiple-choice questions from this text. And here you see, it gave me ready-made quiz questions, just like that. This is really good for teachers creating tests, and also students who want to practice and guess questions from study materials. Email drafting and replying. You can craft emails with ChatGPT easily. For example, let's say, write an email asking a company if they have open positions for software developers. And you see, it crafted a very structured and professional email. Something that might take you an hour, now done in seconds. Super useful for job seekers, businesses, or anyone who wants to write faster and better. Generating personalized learning paths. This is one of my favorite features. If you want to study something, like a skill, try using ChatGPT. Really, it's super helpful. For example, let's say, create a 3-month plan to learn data science from scratch, with weekly milestones. And you see, it generated a very useful learning guideline. This is so cool for anyone who wants to learn in a structured and smart way. Keyboard shortcuts. Let's finish with a quick but powerful feature, keyboard shortcuts. To see all the shortcuts you can use in ChatGPT, just press Ctrl+/// and boom, you'll see a list of all the handy shortcuts that make using ChatGPT even faster and easier. Alright, that's it for the 25 features. Tell me in the comments, which feature are you thankful I showed you? And if you made it this far, please like the video and join my lovely audience by subscribing to Rama AI. Have a great day.